Mr. Gopal, Mr. Sunil, good evening. We are now, after 2 weeks, ready to hit the market. I am presenting you, together with my colleagues Ramesh and Karthik, the project that you nurtured and supported so much. I am giving you, on behalf of the retail team, the direct coverage team.
Yes. Great direct coverage team. Great direct coverage team. Let me feel the energy. Great direct coverage team. Yes. On behalf of the entire direct coverage team, we are here presenting to you. First of all, we want to appreciate the opportunity that has been given to us by the entire management of Far East Mercantile Company to come to this training and train us to be a better person so that we can storm the market, we can hit the entire market and show that what has never happened in Nigerian market history is going to happen by Far East Mercantile. Now, I believe that with this training, after the introduction to all the different brands, the Ovaltine, the Huggies, the Ovaltine, the Huggies, the Mavitis, the Hens, and just to mention a few, now we are very much sure that we can boldly go to the market and be proud of all the Far East SKUs. And I can assure you that this great team will never let you down. We will never disappoint you. You can count on us. And I assure you once again that on behalf of the entire direct corporate team, we are here to make history. Greatest direct corporate team! Now, I would like to use this opportunity to call on my colleague, Kayode, to also give to us a brief presentation and to also salute, even in your absence, that we have really appreciated the opportunity that you have given to us.
Yes, thank you. Great direct corporate team. Great direct corporate team. Great direct corporate team. In addition to what my colleague I have said here, we all are going to work as a team. We all are ready to move Far East to the greater heights in the Nigerian market and the retail business in Far East. Great direct corporate team. We are also going to ensure with the training that has been given to us in Far East, because since we have been working in other companies, we have never been given this kind of opportunity. Now we thank you for this opportunity, and we are going to ensure that we make availability, visibility, and accessibility of the products effective outside there, so that all friends of Far East products can go to the greater height. Now I want to tell you, my greatest team, if you are happy here, you know